Good morning. Good morning, Bella. Come to mom. Come to mom. Wake up, Anga. Wake up. Wake up. Don't go there. Anga, please sit up.
Okay.
Sit up, baby. Wow, welcome back to my channel. Why are you so tired? Why are you tired? I'm scared. I'm scared. Mommy's scared. School time. Let's go. School time.
Okay.
Switch off your phone.
There is a car.
New day of the vlog. It is finally a Friday. I'm so actually I didn't even realize it was a Friday earlier on. I'm so happy. The time it's 8:15. I just came back from a school drop off and I thought that I was gonna come back and take a shower because I'm having a meeting at 8:30. So I will shower after that, but I quickly just need to make myself something to eat so that I did show you guys yesterday this, so that I can take a one which I'm supposed to take after a meal once a day. So I'm gonna do that. And yeah, we just had I showed you guys how our morning routine is like from time to time. Obviously it does change, it doesn't stay the same, but I can tell you that every morning I at least need to spare sorry, an hour and 1 hour 30 minutes, maximum 2 hours, just to get him ready, from making his porridge to preparing him for school, packing his lunch, sparing some time, 5-10 minutes of playtime, and then and once he gets his morning groove, it starts picking up and it starts being chaotic. So yeah, he's at school now. We are just introducing praying when we get to school. He's a bit big now. He sort of has an idea of what it is to pray, not the reason behind it and whatnot. So I am introducing that to him, and eventually it's going to start being part of our routine in the morning, first thing when we wake up. So that's that. And quick story. Morning, I'm just gonna have a very short testimony, which it happened a while ago, but a testimony is a testimony. So this, and the reason I'm telling you is because this morning when I woke up to 3 voice notes from my mom, and they were sent. One was sent just before 4 and the others were sent past 4. So immediately I was so anxious, because looking at the times, I started being worried that what happened. Listening to the voice notes, they just made me melt. I started feeling so emotional. She was basically like thanking me and telling me how grateful she is, and what else, the kind of mother she has always wanted to be to us, and all of that. I just don't want to get emotional on this video. So it was more about that, and she asked me to go home like now in the morning when I have time. It's not urgent, it didn't sound urgent. I do think that she wants to bless me with something that she has been adamant that I check it. As you know, my washing machine broke and it was not part of my budget. I'm one person that does not like credit for myself. So if it's not too urgent and I can wait, I prefer to wait. I told myself that I am going to save. I'm going to save for the washing machine, even if it's over 3 months. And during that period, I will just do what I was doing, which yesterday I worked from home while I was busy doing my laundry, and I actually told her that she should let me do it, so that on days where I actually can't do it, then she can do it for me. So, and yesterday when I was at home, she kept on asking me, have you checked for the washing machine? Just check for the washing machine, and continue praying and whatnot. And I checked the washing machine again, and I truly believe that God will make a way. And that's essentially what she was saying. I think yesterday was Thursday. She's been saying that since the weekend, that just stay in prayer, God will make a way, you never know. And because I'm a believer, I truly believe that even though at times we would have a room for less faith, if I can put it that way, but I have so much faith in God. And yesterday when I was at home, she asked me, did you check the washing machine? I kind of knew the washing machine I want. So yesterday I was like, okay, let me just check the reviews and just be certain that this is the machine I want. And I was certain. She went to the shops and I had to go pick her up when she was done. When we came back home, she again asked me, how much is this washing machine? I felt like, you know what, let me not say the price of this machine. But on the other side, something told me that just say the price. As pricey as it is, just say it. And I told her the price, and we continued our conversation. Then she sent me these voice notes that God has been speaking to her. she's been up since 12 and she's been asking God why, which I truly believe it is about this washing machine. So she asked me to go home. I'm gonna do that. I just don't want to. That's what I'm gonna do after this first meeting. And it just, this took me back to when I had just moved out of home. I was busy getting things for myself, fridge, bed, all those big things, big goal things. So in that process, I ordered a bed online at this company that sells very good quality beds, expensive. And I told myself that I want to get myself good quality bed. I went online, I did everything, processed the payment, and as the payment was processing, I realized that on the account that I was using, I didn't have enough money. And but the payment did not fail. And I quickly tried to transfer money but nothing, like from the system side, it just approved. And when I checked my bank balance with the amount that I had to transfer into my main account to make sure that I have enough to purchase the bed, it was still the same. Then I ignored. The following morning, I decided to call, because I do know that companies would like reconcile and at the end of the day. So I called the next day because I was so worried that it's one thing that the system approved, it could be a glitch, but I, for one, know that I haven't paid. So I called and I was transferred to the accounts department, accounts or accounting department, something like that. And I spoke to a lady there to confirm if because I do have an order number, to confirm if my payment went through. She said yes, and she asked me why am I calling to ask that. So I told her that on my bank statement, it's not reflecting, like the payment is not reflecting. And then she said no, but she on her side, she confirmed. She said, I can see your payment. And she even said, wow, why would you, like, if the payment went through and your money is still intact, why would you worry? So we laughed about it, dropped the phone. And I was still worried that at some point they're going to find out that there was no payment for this bed. So I decided to stay for like a week, to give it like a week to see. So time goes by and I keep on checking the delivery progress. I'm not seeing anything. Then came a day, I went to work, came back. I used to work until 3, came back, took a nap. While I was taking my nap, I got a call. Hi, it's a delivery company. We're here to deliver your bed. And that was it, guys. Till this day, that was in 2019. Till this day, I'm still sleeping in that bed, which I don't know who paid for it, but I do know that God paid for it.
I won't go to your what the fuck?
Happy mapani, mama. Amapani happy.
Go.
Hey.
I don't make it.
Oh, okay.
I like. Mama, Mama,
Okay. Okay.
Huh? Mama. Mama.
Go give Gogo a towel. Go.
Huh? Go, up at the,
Thank you, Papa.
welcome.
Welcome.
Oh no, coming there. How are you?
Hey guys, welcome back to a new day of this vlog. It's a Sunday. I have decided to actually mix my own veggies so I can roast them. Cost of living is too high and this is like an alternative. I just make sure I get affordable veggies and chop them. As you can see, I have baby marrow, what is this, butternut, carrots, what else, sweet potato and green pepper. So I'm going to sprinkle it with this garlic. No man. I want to try using this for the first time.
Mama.
I have never.
Mama. Mama.
Hey guys, welcome back to a new day of a vlog. It's Tuesday. I haven't started working. It's 8:30 and I am just having myself this hot water with honey and lemon. Because it's winter, I prefer that more than water, and then during the day I can just have my water. I actually could not vlog. It was a Monday. I went to the office And normally I would vlog after work, maybe, but yesterday, I had to drive past to go pick up my TV stand that I'm liking so much. It's here, guys, but I will show it to you in the next vlog. So for this one, I just want to wrap it up. I know that we did have a sit down where I was talking about thinking that my mom want to bless me with the washing machine. So that day I went home. I think I went home past 11. I got home past 11, and yeah, it was about the washing machine. It was about the washing machine. Placed an order, which was Friday, if not Saturday, and the ETA is today. I have received a message that it will be delivered today, and also that is one of the reasons why I couldn't go to the office today, because we go to the office twice a week, and normally I prefer going the beginning of the week. Then I just know the rest of the week I can just relax. And yeah, I'm waiting for my washing machine, which I might need to get someone who's going to help, because I know that Take a Lot guys, they just drop and go. So I don't know if they will be able to unbox it for me and connect it and remove those, I think it's bolts at the back, because I won't be able to. I don't want to use it with those. They do make the machine like move around a lot, so I'll see. But the machine is coming, and the load of clothes is waiting for that machine. So as part of this vlog, I think I'm just gonna wait so that you guys can see when the machine is delivered, and then I can just close off the vlog. After that, more details about the machine, my experience, any review that I want to give regarding the machine, I will just give in one of the next vlog. To open it and start trying. Sean. I need to go get someone to do this for me. Then I'm gonna have to, at least the kitchen must be clean.
Yeah. No, it's very easy. I think they just know, and I think it's there somewhere in your manual.
Okay, let me get this out. Nice. This one, eh?
Yes.
Did. How do I do it?
Wait. You see the screw has like a shape.
Yes.
Yeah, and that thing has a shape. Make sure that it's well aligned, and then push it further. Does it fit?
Unless Angazi mina.
Okay, then try the bigger one then.
This one.
Yeah.
My phone is dark. This one.
Yeah. I can't see.
Oh.
Okay, that one looks bigger. Then on the other end, there's another
Oh, this side.
one. Yes. Try that one.
Working.
Yeah, and then.
Oh. Mm-hmm. So ndithini ke? It's just this part. Efuneka iphume.
Yeah, pull that one out.
This one.
Okay. Yeah, because if you now remove all of them, you should hear the temple dry and dry. Because you see how mine look like.
Hmm. I wonder how do I take it out, okay? And December, I only got it back in December. And then in which month? In April, beginning of April. It does not. It does pour water inside, but when you're looking at the water, it's not enough water that could wash clothes. Then after, it just keeps quiet the whole time, and then from there, you can get the machine. It's supposed to be dry. It's spinning, I mean. So you hear that spinning sound, that first sound. You hear it that and nothing is moving. It's supposed to spin based on the fact that I can hear the sound, and it just stops. Yeah. So when I called Metro, because that's what you know, at that time, I didn't think that. You guys had told me just purchase. I think the night was 2-3 months ago, I remember. You guys had not removed the machine to make that sound. Then I asked him how much they said no, they're supposed to move the bolts. But now, okay. When I put it back. So I put this back there. Then I put it back in here and let it go in until a certain point probably. Then 1, 2, 3. It feels tighter. 4.
Okay, yeah. I'm doing one. Then it is not tighter.
Okay.
Yeah, and then remove the thing and then pull it.
I remove what?
That thing opens and I go to a knife, and then you can just pull it. So then it opens how
I don't know if it's in a movement. This is supposed to come out. Because this is a wrapper.
yeah, you just
Oh, behind this is an orange thing. My neighbor can just do that part because him and at least he stays with his brother. They can help each other.
Oh, yeah. Just getting grip.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Mdasana.
Okay, then.
And bye, you too.
Bye.
Welcome back to the last day of this vlog. Today it is a Wednesday. I thought I was gonna go to the office today, but I just could not. One, we woke up at a time where if I wanted to go to the office, I was going to get there very late. And secondly, because of this washing machine that was dropped off yesterday without any help, I needed to make sure that I do something about it, because we have a pile of clothes that need to be washed, which it doesn't look like something that I'll be able to do it today. I'm gonna have to wait for my neighbor, which is like after work, to come help me get the bolts out. That's the only thing that, well, that's the one important thing that you need to make sure that it's sorted before you can actually make use of the machine. I have unboxed the machine. It can't go in because of that foam underneath. I think I'm going to take it out so that I can put the machine inside. And yeah, I called Tato to help me remove those things. And when it got to a part where he said I'm gonna have to pull, I just knew that it's not gonna work. Like, I just know the level of power that I have when it comes to that. I just knew. So yeah, I just took it out. I'm gonna leave it as is. At least there is something that you can use to unscrew the bolts. Yeah, and that was the washing machine. I don't know if, yeah, no. Okay. The washing machine, it is a Hisense 8 kg. It is a washer dryer. I think it's called a Hisense Smart something. But it has a washer and a 8 kg washer and a 5 kg dryer. I'm not so hyped by the dryer because these dryers, they just tend to mess up the clothes. So that was not the whole point of me buying the machine. There's other things that in the next video I'll just talk about it once I have actually made use of the machine. I'm going to try and explore all the different options that I could possibly explore, and then give you guys a proper feedback regarding the machine. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.